Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Halloween costume DIY for you guys, something easy, affordable, and quite unique for your little kiddos. This would be perfect for a baby or a toddler. This is from the famous YouTuber Miss Rachel. This is going to be Herbie.
This turned out absolutely adorable. If you guys want to see how he did it, stay tuned.
Okay guys, so here's some stuff that you're going to need. We have some craft foam balls and these mixed balls from Joann's. They have like the fur on them with an assortment of colors. You're also going to need some orange furry fabric. We got ours from Amazon. I'll be sure to link all of the items that we use below. We also use glue sticks, glue gun, a fabric tape measurer, this little ruler, a liner thing just to be able to help us, cut a straight line. Scissors. You're also just going to need a hand-me-down orange sweatshirt and sweatpants. So stick along, guys. This is really simple process, but it turned out really super cute. Get you a snack, get you a drink, and just hang out with us and watch us as we bring this DIY costume to life. You guys, look at these furry bridges. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. One major thing for you guys to remember, and a huge thing that we learned after we had already got it finished, is when you're buying your sweatpants and sweatshirt, make sure you get at least 2 sizes up. Cohen's was 1 size up, and then it ended up fitting tight. When you glue that fur onto the fabric, it just makes the fabric stiff and lose its stretch. So it was not fun trying to get this over my little nephew's head. We ended up having to actually cut down the middle so we could get it on him. Oh my goodness. So even better, try just a zip-up jacket instead of a hoodie. For sure, I think that would work a lot better. Okay guys, so right here we are starting on the little hoodie. Kara, my sister, is just kind of outlining how big it is, and we're literally just going to go by those measurements and cut, and that's it. We're also going to be doing the hood. One thing I will mention, it was very helpful to have extra hands in this project. Just holding things down, and I was able to glue, or while she was able to cut, or it was just very helpful to have an extra set of hands. So I recommend doing this, with a friend or family member. And it was a lot of fun, and she'll have this for years to come, or, you know, at least the pictures that we can laugh about later on down the road. I will mention, guys, this is a very messy project. We had orange hair everywhere. All the things we will do for our kiddos. Gotta love it. I do recommend sealing this in with maybe some clear spray paint, or I don't know, even some hairspray, something. There's got to be something out there to seal this in that would be safe for babies, so the fluff wouldn't keep shedding. But you know, you live and you learn. We have learned, so we can tell you guys. You'll notice in some of the clips, like me kind of disappearing for a little bit and my sister disappearing for a little bit. We kind of just took turns, you know. This did take us a few hours, but you know, once we started going with it, we got the hang of it, and then it went by a lot faster. But she would get tired and we would switch off, and I would get tired and I would switch off. So like I said, it does help to have a helping hand. And you know, there's no rules to it. It's perfectly imperfect. There's nothing out there that is the same as this, and it's something that we'll always remember. So sometimes it's not even about the things that we have, it's the memories that we make, guys. Just keep that in mind. As you can see here, guys, we are just making some circles on this black and white felt, making them perfect. We got to do that for Herbie's eyes, and then we're going to glue those onto the foam balls that we got from Joann's. Okay guys, we are finished with the Herbie costume. I just wanted to pop on here and show you the finished product. But I think it turned out super cute. And there was like little holes and stuff where things didn't line up perfectly, but all we did was literally just take patches of the fabric, the fur, and add it on there, and you can't even tell. Like, you literally cannot tell. Just glue it on and there you go. If we can do it, you can do it. Miss Rachel and Herbie, simple and unique DIY affordable costume for you guys. We will be sure to show you the after finished product.
I think I spent maybe 20 bucks on.
So that is it, you guys, for this DIY costume.
Yay!
Yay! Happy Halloween. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Say bye, Herbie.